Hello, my people. This is Derek Coffee, and today we are bringing you one of the coffee machines that is more automatic. So, if you calibrate it well, it gives you according to your calibrations and gives you an espresso window. Yeah, the middle button is more automatic. You measure your coffee by yourself according to your eyesight and the coffee you want. It comes with two filters. Yeah, that one single. The American tap is there, working very well. It's more of an automatic machine that can give you what you want as long as you measure it the way you want it. And it comes with a grinder. You set it, puts you the grams you want, and more of automatic mode. It's an automatic machine. Delito coffee machine made in Spain, made in Spain, Brazil. Yeah, man. Yes, this is more of automatic machine. If you set it well, it gives you a perfect espresso and the perfect blended coffee with the grinder.